Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me for another Meal Prep Sunday video. So as you can see behind me, I am missing our oven. So we just got our backsplash tiled, so we're just waiting for everything to settle. So today I thought maybe I will do a no cook or no bake meal prep video. So everything I'm gonna be making today doesn't require an oven or the stovetop. So this actually is going to be a pretty quick meal prep, so I'm sure a ton of you are always looking for quick meal prep videos. So today we're going to be doing some bento boxes that don't require any cooking. We're also going to be doing a pasta salad using a product that actually doesn't require any stovetop. Overnight oats, of course, and then we're doing a chickpea and avocado mash sandwich. So definitely stay tuned, and don't forget to head to NicoleSinga.com to grab the full recipes.
All right, so the first dish I'm going to be making is a pasta salad. So I'm actually using a pasta that you can just put in the microwave. It's nothing but pasta. I love it. And yes, so here I am chopping veggies. I'm chopping up some tomatoes, and some cucumbers as well, and I'm using some canned chickpeas so I don't have to put those on the stovetop. Throwing them in there and then just topping them with some Italian salad dressing. Super easy. The next thing I'm going to make are these granola bars. So they're a no-bake granola bar. There's only 5 ingredients, which I love. So I'm literally just mixing everything together, and I'm putting them in a sheet pan and putting them in the fridge for about 15 minutes to harden. So the next thing I'm going to be making are these bento boxes with hummus, crackers, and some veggies, and I do end up adding in those granola bars afterwards as well. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to be putting together a chickpea mash. Oh, sorry, I used actually white beans for this one. So I'm just mashing them up with the potato masher. And again, I use the canned beans, adding in some onion along with some guacamole to make it super delicious, and packaging that up on top of some lettuce. And I just end up actually assembling the sandwich right before I'm about to eat it. And then of course the classic overnight oats. So I'm doing some berries on these ones eventually, along with some almonds. If you've seen my videos before, you've seen me make these a million times. Alright, so showing you what I put together. So those are the overnight oats, and then that is the delicious pasta salad. Then we have the bento boxes there, along with the granola bars, and then I also have the white bean mash with avocado.
All right, so that was my no-cook meal prep Sunday. So if you enjoyed that, definitely subscribe to my channel for more meal prep Sunday videos, and head on over to NicoleSinga.com to grab the full recipes. All right, thank you so much. Bye for now.